Why was the Argus Roman II retinal implant a breakthrough? Imagine being able to see light and motion again after years of complete blindness. That's what the Argus Roman II retinal implant aimed to do. It was a major step forward in neurotechnology and neural implants. This device was the first to get approval from the Food and Drug Administration for helping people with retinitis pigmentosa, a hereditary disease that destroys light-sensitive cells in the retina. It was designed to give some visual perception to those who had lost their sight. The Argus Roman II system has two main parts. One is a tiny 60-electrode array implanted on the retina. The other is a pair of glasses with a small camera attached. The camera captures images and sends them to a tiny computer. This computer converts the images into electrical signals. These signals are sent wirelessly to the electrode array. Once the signals reach the implant, they stimulate the remaining healthy retinal cells called ganglion cells. These cells send signals through the optic nerve to the brain's visual cortex. The brain then interprets these signals as light or motion. This process bypasses the damaged photoreceptors, which are the cells normally responsible for converting light into signals. The surgery to implant the device is delicate but safe, and clinical trials showed that patients could improve in tasks like moving around and recognizing objects. They could detect light and even perceive some motion, which was a huge change for people who couldn't see at all before. From a neurotechnology point of view, the Argus Roman II showed how brain-computer interface ideas could be used to restore senses. It combined tiny electronic components with neural stimulation techniques. This opened the door for future devices with better resolution and more detailed vision. The device cost around $50,000 and took several hours to implant. It didn't restore perfect vision, but it gave users a new way to see the world. They could tell where light was coming from and move more confidently. The success of the Argus Roman II proved that neural implants could help restore sensory functions. It set a foundation for more advanced retinal prosthetics and other neural devices. It was a real breakthrough because it showed that even with damaged eyes, the brain could still receive and interpret visual signals. This achievement pushed the boundaries of what neurotechnology can do for people with sensory loss.